Hey guys, thank you for joining me. Welcome back. Hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to be using some items from the Dollar Tree to create some beautiful spring summertime decor. So I'm going to be using 3 vases from the Dollar Tree, 2 large vases and 1 small vase. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of glittering today in this video. And so I'm just setting up right now, and I'm going to start with my clear gel tacky glue. I'm going to put a little bit inside the smaller vase, and then I'm going to spread it around with a damp paintbrush. Next, I'm going to be applying just a small amount of glitter. I'm using the clear glitter. So when it dries down, it's just going to take a little bit of the visibility away from the inside of the vase. That's what I want. And yeah, so I'm just going to continue with that. So I let them all dry for about 30 minutes, and now I'm going to add a little bit of this glittered bling. I picked that up from Temu a couple of years ago, and I'm going to apply this around the top edge of the vase. I really love this bling, guys. It's very chunky. The gold color looks really nice. I got it in gold and in silver, so I wanted to use the gold today just to give it a warm color. And I'm going to apply this to all 3 vases. Next, I'm going to be adding some of that chunky bling to the base of this tapered candlestick holder. After I finish decorating the candlestick holder, I'm going to attach it to the smaller vase. I'm going to be using some of my permanent adhesive to do that. So it's been drying for about 12 hours, and I'm going to continue decorating the vases. So this is what they look like. I really like the way they look. And here is the tool that I attached. That looks really, really nice as well. So I pulled out some florals that I had on hand, and I just pulled the smaller pieces apart just to get some small flowers, just to add to the inside of the vase. I want each one of the vases to look like it has like a group of wild flowers inside. So I'm going to be using some baby breath and all those little florals that you see there on the table. I'm going to place this mini square vase inside each one of the vases. I want my candle to sit inside. I'm not going to be using real candles today in this project. I'm going to be using my battery operated candles. These are the Luminara candles. These are battery operated, and it has a timer on it. I'm going to be setting the timer, and I'm going to put those in the smaller vase after I finish decorating. So I'm just bending and shaping the florals into the shape of the bowl so that it can sit very nicely inside the bowl. And I'm just going to be dividing all this up and just putting these florals inside. I really love the way just a little touch of glitter just gives it a nice sort of dewy look. Guys, this is a very quick design I'm doing, and it came out really, really nice. So you let me know what you think in the comment section, and I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.